Stop using sharpies or silver welder's pencils to mark your cuts. You need to get one of these. What's going on, guys? My name's Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesday, I like to bring you guys tools that maybe I've used in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around my garage. If you're ever doing any kind of like metal work, whether it be thick angle iron, maybe some plate work, sheet metal, whatever it might be, stop using sharpies or silver welder's pencils to mark your cuts. I mean, yeah, they work. Your silver welder's pencil will leave you a mark. Not really easy to see, but it's easily wiped off. Sharpies, often the tip gets worn down, so it leaves like a fat mark. Sometimes it just doesn't want to mark well, especially on top of like mill scale and stuff like that. I've had issues with Sharpies making good marks. You need to get one of these. Carbide scribe tool. These things are invaluable when it comes to doing sheet metal work. They have a real sharp tip. This one here actually has like a magnetic base to it and actually has a removable tip. So if it ever gets worn out, you can easily replace it. This is just a solid piece. But these are good for, if you're marking your cuts. Take your straight edge, ruler, whatever, and you can mark your lines, mark your cut lines. And this thing will leave a scratch in the surface. It doesn't wipe away, is easily seen, and you don't have to worry about maybe your cut line being real wide, and then all of a sudden you're not really sure where to cut. Do you cut on one side of the line? Do you cut on the other? Do you cut in the middle of the line? This leaves a nice, fine scribe mark in the surface of whatever it is you're cutting. It makes your cut easily seen, easily identifiable, and super, super accurate. So stop using Sharpies, stop using grease pencils or silver welder's pencils or whatever you use. Pick up some of these Carbide scribe tools. I'll leave a link down below to several different kinds. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.